I recently got a hold of this RCWL0516 module, which is a Doppler radar sensor. That means it is a sensor which will detect any movement within its range, which is typically 5 to 9 meters for this particular module. The sensor detects movement through the principle of Doppler radar, as the name tells. Now, what is Doppler radar? Let us take this sensor module and place it anywhere on the paper. Then we place a wooden block which will act as an object for our demonstration. Now this sensor will send out signals through its transmitting antenna of about 3.2 GHz, which will also travel up to the object and bounce back from the object. Now as the object was still, there was no significant change in frequency introduced in the bouncing back process of the transmitted signal. So the frequency of the signal does not change and reaches the sensor, which then senses no change in frequency, hence it does not detect any movement, which is correct in this situation. But now let's say that our object is moving from point A to point B. In this case, the sensor still sends out signals of about 3.2 GHz through its transmitting antenna. Now, as the object is moving, the area in front of the object gets compressed relatively to the object, and the area behind the object gets decompressed. So, when the signal from the sensor reaches the object and bounces back, it experiences a change in frequency which is called the Doppler shift. So, now when this shifted wave reaches back to the sensor's receiving antenna, the sensor detects a change in frequency and hence it detects movement. This is called the Doppler effect. So, I placed the module on a breadboard for testing. Then I attached a LED through a 1K resistor between the out pin and ground. I then connected ground of my power supply to the ground pin and the positive rail to the V-in pin. After that, I turned on my power supply and set the voltage to 5 volts. As an initial test, I placed the sensor in front of my supply and the sensor was not detecting any movement of my arm or my body for that case. So, I placed the sensor in an open spot and tested it again, and it worked quite good. As the sensor detects any movement, it lights up the LED for about 2 seconds. So I turned off my power supply to take a look at the module, and I noticed that on one side of the module there is the transmitting antenna and on the other side there exists the receiving antenna, and as I was blocking the receiving antenna by placing it against the power supply, the sensor could not detect any movement. After that, I gave it a little outdoor test and got fascinated by the sensor's range. It's quite good. This was just an introduction to this RCWL0516 Doppler radar module, and I think there are many useful and cool projects we can make with it. So, write in the comments if you want me to make a video on just applying this sensor in different projects. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, then feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this.